We are providing smart guidelines for 10th standard students. Chapter Arithmetic Progression Part 4. Here now I am going to discuss about sum of first n terms of an AP. So here we are having one formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket into d. So where we will get here Sn equal to sum of first n terms. N means number of terms, A already we know, that is first term, D is common difference. So we can rewrite this equation in the form of last term also. So now I rewritten this 2a as a plus a, and same thing n minus 1 into d. See, observe here, what is a plus n minus 1 into d? This is our nth formula. Now substitute an in place of a plus n minus 1 into d. So now we will get here Sn equal to n by 2. So first a is same like that, plus in place of a plus n minus 1 into d I will write an. So already in our last video I clearly said that an is our last term also. We can indicate it as our last term. So instead of writing an, I will take it is Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. It means sum of first term and last term we have to add in this formula. So this is our another formula when they given first term and last term along with number of terms. So by using these formula we have to solve now last exercise, that is 1.3. So coming to the exercise 1.3, here in first question find the sum of the following APs. Here they given APs along with up to the terms they mention, means they given n also. So first you have to find the a and afterwards common difference, and already they given n. So using these three factors we have to find the sum of first up to given terms. Okay, out of these three I will do the second one and fourth one, first one and second one for homework. So write the given points. First in second sub problem they given a equal to minus 37, n means up to 12 terms you have to find, and now for that you have to find the d, that is a2 minus a1. So in place of a2 minus 33 minus in place of a1, that is minus of minus 37. So already they given in minus, so you have to write in minus only. So now go with calculation, minus 33 minus into minus it will becomes plus 37. So here your answer will be, which is bigger, 37 is bigger. From bigger number subtract the smaller one, 37 minus 33, so you will get here 4. The sign of the answer will be plus. So d equal to plus 4. Now we got d, we know the a and n, substitute in the formula. So our formula Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute the values. So here we will get after substitution 12 by 2, 2 into a means 2 into minus 37 plus, so here a is in negative, so always write it in bracket, so it will easy to multiply, plus n is 12, next minus 1 into d, that is 4. Now do the calculation, 2 1s are 2 6s are. So here outside we got 6, 2 into minus 37, here we will get minus, because it is plus, plus into minus minus, 2 7s are 14, carry 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So plus 12 minus 1, that is 11 into 4. First to go with the multiplication, 6 minus 74 plus 11 into 4, it becomes 44. So in bracket here we getting one minus, another one is plus, opposite sign are there, so go with the subtraction, afterwards keep the minus sign. So 6, 4 minus 4 it will be 0, 7 minus 4 it will be 3, so it will be minus 30. So our answer will be sum of first 12 terms are 6 into 3 it will be minus 18, last 0 is there, keep 0, so our answer will be minus 180. Now in fourth question they given AP in fraction form, so 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to how much sums you have to get, up to 11th term, it means n equal to 11. So first you write the given points, a equal to 1 by 15, n equal to 11. So now we need the common difference, that is d equal to a2 minus a1. Now substitute the values. So here 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, so denominator are different, take the LCM 12 and 15. So in easy method go with the table of 15. So 15 4 is 60, so in 12 table we will get the 12 5 is 60, so 60 will be our LCM. So write it here 60, so 12 5 is 15, 4 is, so 5 1 is 5 minus 4 1 is 4, so 5 minus 4 we will get here 1 by 60, so d equal to 1 by 60 we got here. Now we got the d, we know n and a, substitute in the formula Sn, so Sn equal to n by 2 whole bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, substitute the values, n is 11 by 2, 2a means 2 into what is a, 1 by 15 plus n is 11, 11 minus 1 into d is 1 by 60. So keep like that only fraction, it is 11 by 2, so it will be 2 into 1 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 it will be 10 into 1 by 60. So now 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus here 0 0 will get cancelled, so it will be 1 by 6. Okay, so now adding these two fractions which are in the bracket, so here 15 is there, here 6 is there, so LCM will be 15 2s are 30, because 30 is in 6 table also, 15 2s are 6, 5s are 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5s are 5. So here we got 4 plus 5. So rewrite now 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5 it will be 9 divided by 30. Okay, so it is now in multiplication. So you can first divide or simplify this term, this fraction, 3 3s are 3 10s are. So no more calculation, no more cancelizations now. So directly multiply 11 3s are 33, 2 10s are 20. So our Sn means S11, sum of first 11 terms will be 33 by 20. So first and third for your practice, do them practice and cross check the answers. Now in second question, find the sum of given below. So here they didn't given up to which term, but they given the last term. So you know here the first term and last term. So use our second formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus l. So a is 7, here last term is 84. So using this we have to find, but what happens, we didn't know about here n. So for that we have to find the first n number. Okay, how to do this? Out of these three I'll take the last one, that is third one. Okay, So here because it is in given in minus, so you may get confusion. So first I will solve this one only. These are in plus numbers means positive, so you go through yourself. So here the given a, that is minus 5, and a2 a3 up to last term, that will be an. Okay, so write it first given terms. So a equal to minus 5, an equal to minus 230. Now we need the d, common difference. So here a2 minus a1. What is a2? A2 is minus 8. Minus 8 minus of minus 5. So it will be minus 8, minus into minus plus 5. So here we will get minus 3. Minus 8 plus 5, it will be minus 3. So now we got here, that is d equal to minus 3. So now we got the d, we got the a, we know the an, so you can mention it as L also, that is last term. So but in our formula what we need? We need n, means number of terms. For that we have to use the formula, an formula. Here in an formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is an? We know, that is minus 230. Okay, a means minus 5 plus, we don't know n, keep like that only, into d. What is d? D just we got minus 3. So keep in bracket. Okay, so take minus 5 this side, because here it is making addition, so but sign is minus. If you take the minus 5 to left side, it becomes plus, that is minus 230 plus 5 is equal to, keep this same like that, minus n minus 1 in bracket minus 3. Okay, so here minus 230 plus 5, so opposite sign are there, so go with subtraction. Here we will get 225, so that is minus 225. And if I take this minus 3, here it is multiplying, if I take this side, it becomes division, equal to n minus 1. So now minus minus will get cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 7s are 21, remaining is 1, that becomes 15, 3 5s are. So now n equal to, if I take minus 1 to that side, becomes plus, so 75 plus 1, that is 76. Now we got the n also. So now n equal to 76. So using this we have to find the sum of given AP. In formula n by 2, a plus l, substitute the all values. N we got here 76 by 2, a we know, that is minus 5, plus l is minus 230, write it in bracket. So here 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, remaining 1, it becomes 16, so 8s are 38, again in bracket minus 5, here plus into minus, it becomes minus only 230. So 38 into minus 235. So here same sign are there, minus, here also minus, so 5 plus 230 will get here minus 235. So minus 235 into 38, here we will get the sum, that is minus 8930. So our sum of 76 terms will be minus 8930. This is our answer. In third main, they given total 10 problems. So already they only given the few factors. According to those factors, they asking here another 2 or 3 factors. So you have to find step by step. So in first question, given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, and last term, that is an equal to 50. So here you have to find the n and Sn. So this is also similar to the earlier questions. First we have to use the an formula for getting the n. After we getting the n, we have to substitute in the Sn formula. We will get the Sn also, means sum of total terms. So let's do. So our formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. So an is 50, a is 5 plus n is, we don't know, keep like that only, 1 minus n minus 1 into d is 3. So if I take 5 to left side, it becomes minus 50 minus 5 and n minus 1 into 3. So 50 minus 5, it will be 45. So if I take 3 this side, it will be divisible. So it will be n minus 1 will be same. So 3 ones are 3, 15s are. So 15. If I take 1 this side, it becomes plus 1. So n equal to 15 plus 1, it will be 16. So now we have to find the Sn. So I will use the formula n by 2, that is into a plus l. L what is L? L is our last term, that is an. So now substitute the values. So we got the n, that is 16 by 2. A we know, that is 5, and L also they given, that is 50. So 2 ones are 2, 8s are. So 8. So now solve the in bracket 5 plus 50, it will be 55. So 8 into 55. So now 8 into 55, do it calculation. 8 5 is a 40, carry 4. So 8 5 is a 40, 40 plus 4, it will be 44. So our Sn will be 440. This is our answer. So now directly I will take the third one. So second one and third one almost similar. So according to the third, you do the second one as your practice. Now here they given a12 equal to 37, d equal to 3. You have to find a and s12. So one question will rise, where is n? N is nothing but here they clearly given a12 means 12th term. Here also s12 means 12th sum. So it means n is our 12. So write it, n equal to 12. So now we got n, we know the d, and we know the a12. So use an formula, find the a. What is an formula? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute in an, substitute the a12, that is 37 equal to, we don't know a, we have to find that one only. So n means 12, that is 12 minus 1 into d, d is 3. So it will be 37 same equal to a plus 12 minus 1, that is 11, 11 into 3. So 11 into 3, it will be 33. So here 37 is there. A plus 11 into 3, 33. So take 33 to left side, it becomes 37 minus 33. So our a will be 37 minus 33, it will be 4. So a equal to 4. Now we got a, we know the an, we know the d, and a12 also, that is last term, that is 37. Now we find the s12. It is very simple. Use again s12 equal to last formula n by 2 a plus l. So what is n? N is 12, 12 by 2. What is a? Just got 4, and l, that is last term, that is 37. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are. So it will be 6 into 4 plus 37, it will be 41. So now do the multiplication. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So our S12 equal to 246. This is our answer. Children, this fourth question is very different question. So here you will get some equations. According to equations you have to solve the problem. So first they given here A3, that is 15, and S10 they given. So here they directly given the sum. So that is first 10 terms sum will be 125, and you have to find the D and A10. Okay, so here A3 is there and S10 is there. So first you have to write in terms of A and D format. So how? First A3 given, so for that we have to use the AN formula. So what is our AN formula? AN formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN, so here A3 they given. Okay, what is A? We don't know, keep like that only. N, that is third term, so it will be 3 minus 1 into D. What is A3? A3 is 15, so A is like that only, plus 3 minus 1, it will be 2 into D. So this is our equation number 1. Okay, so now coming to the S10. So what is our formula here? Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so what is Sn? Sn is S10. In place of n here we getting 10. Earlier we got n equal to 3. Now we getting in place of n we getting 10. So write them. So 10, it will be in place of n it will be 10. 10 by 2. So we don't know a, so write like that only, 2a plus, now we got the n, that is 10. 10 minus 1 into D. So what is S10? That is 125 equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. So here we got 5. Again 2a plus 10 minus 1, that is 9. 9D. Okay, so close the bracket. So here 5 is there, I will take to left side, it becomes 125 divided by 5, because 5 is here multiplying. If you take to left side it becomes division. So 125 divided by 5, and here what left? 2a plus 9d. So 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, so remaining 2, it becomes 25, so 5s are. So our new equation, that is 25 equal to 2a plus 9d. So it is equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2. So but in equation number 1 and 2 we are not getting any like terms to subtract. So for that what I will do, see here a is there, here 2a is there. So it is somewhat we can make here one multiplication to get 2a. So for to get 2a, what we have to multiply? We have to multiply this equation, whole equation, by 2. So first, before solving, multiply equation 1 by 2. So here we will get 2 15s are, it will be 30 equal to 2 into a, 2a plus 2 2s are 4d. So here we got 2a plus 4d, and we know the equation number 2, that is 25 equal to 2a plus 9d. So solving in the sense you can go with subtraction or else elimination method. So I will here do the elimination method. So for elimination method means you have to change the sign of the equations. So here 25 is there, it becomes minus 25, 2a becomes minus 2a, and 9d becomes minus 9d. So now 30 minus 25, it will becomes 5. Okay, 2a minus 2a, it becomes 0. So no need of to write here. So 4 minus 9d, here we will get minus 5d. Okay, so now we got 5 equal to minus 5d. So I'll take this minus 5 to left side, it becomes 5 by minus 5 equal to d. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. So here minus is there. So we will get here d equal to minus 1. So now we got the d equal to minus 1. Still we need what? We need A10. So for that we know the d and we know the n, and but what we need? We need a. So for that what we have to do? So you have to substitute this d in any one equation. So I will substitute d in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? That is 15 equal to a plus 2d. So in place of d I will write minus 1. So here we will get 15 equal to a plus into minus 2. 2 ones are 2. So if you take minus 2 to left side, it becomes plus 15 plus 2 equal to a. So a equal to 15 plus 2, that is 17. So now we got a 17. Still what we have to find? We have to find a10. So use the formula, an formula. So in place of an I will write a10. Just we got a, that is 17, plus what is n? N is our 10, because in place of n we are writing 10. So it becomes 10 minus 1 into what is d? D is minus 1. So keep it in bracket. So 17 plus, so before writing the sign, see here, 10 minus 1, it will be 9. So here 9 into minus 1. So 17 plus 17, here plus, it is minus, plus into minus, minus 9 ones are 9. So a10 equal to 17 minus 9. So here we will get 8. So our answer is a10 equal to 8. In fifth question they given d equal to 5, s9 equal to 75, find a and a9. So use the Sn formula. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now write Sn. What is Sn? That is S9. So write it 75. So in place of n we know the n, that is 9. So keep 9 by 2. So we don't know a, keep like that only, 2a plus. So here n minus, n is 9, 9 minus 1 into d, d we know, that is 5. So take 9 by 2 this side, it becomes reciprocal. So it becomes 2 by 9, 75 into 2 by 9 equal to, so 2a plus 9 minus 1, that is 8 into 5. So here 75 into 2, you will get here 150 divided by 9 equal to 2 into a plus 8 5 is 40. So take that 40 to that side, we will get here minus 150 by 9 minus 40 equal to 2a. So 40 means there is no denominator, means it is always 1, means 40 by 1. So 9 and 1, taking the LCM, that is 9. So 9 ones are 1 9s are. So it becomes 150 minus 9 4s are 36, it becomes 360, that is 2a. So here 150 minus 360. So it is plus, it is minus. So opposite sign are there. So you go with subtraction. Here you will get, here we will get minus 210 by 9 equal to 2a. So if I take 2 to left side, here already it is multiplying. If I take to left side, it becomes divisible. So here we will get minus 210 divided by 9 into 1 by 2 equal to a. So cancel it, 2 ones are 2, so it will not divisible, so take 0, so it becomes 10, 2 5s are. So here we got 1 minus 105 divided by 9 equal to a. So these both are divisible by 3, So cancel it. 3 3s are 3, 3s are 9, again minus 1, it becomes 15, 3 5s are. So minus 35 by 3 equal to A. So now we got A. So now what we have to find? We have to find the A9. Okay, so A9, use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So substitute the values. A equal to minus 35 by 3 plus, so it is A9 given, means n equal to 9, 9 minus 1. So what is D? D they given, that is 5. So here minus 35 divided by 3 plus 9 minus 1, that is 8 into 5. See, whenever you get plus and into, so that time we have to go with first multiplication after addition. So it is basic, you should know that. Minus 35 by 3 plus 8 5s are 40. See here, denominator is not there, means it is always 1. So 3 and 1 LCM will be 3. So it will be 3 1s are 1, 3s are. So here we got minus 35 plus 120. So minus 35 plus 120, what we will get here? So opposite sign are there, go with again subtraction. 120 minus 35, here we will get 85. 85 by 3. This is our A9. A9 equal to 85 by 3. We will solve remaining problems in next video. Thank you.